Hello friends, welcome back. So today we are going to discuss HDFC Bank, which is a largest private sector bank in India. And this is a part of series of the banking sector where we have discussed multiple banking stocks and the potential available in those banking stocks. So I will share the link in the description box and I will pin the playlist also. You can watch those videos also so that you will understand what are the opportunity available in different banks, which we have already discussed in this series. Before starting, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel so that you will get regular update on value buying opportunity and you will learn how to do a detailed analysis which includes fundamental, financials and technical analysis to identify what is the opportunity available in those stocks. So let's start our discussion. So as I mentioned, HDFC is the largest private sector bank in India, and it has been a consistent compounder over the last 5-10 years. And HDFC Bank is one of the stocks from my coffee can portfolio. Before discussing the financials and technicals of the HDFC Bank, let me highlight few of the key points about HDFC and their presence in Indian financial sector. So the parent company of HDFC Bank is HDFC, that is Housing Development Finance Corporation, and HDFC was amongst the first to receive in principle approval from RBI to set up a private sector bank in India, and they got this approval in 1994. Now let me share few of the key points here. So if you can look at the net NPA, that is only 0.4%. So that is a very low NPA, and for any financial and banking sector, this low NPA is a very good sign. Now, as far as the segment revenue is concerned, Treasury contributes 12.37%, retail banking contributes most of the revenue, that is 50.3%, wholesale banking contributes 28.47%, and other banking operation, it contributes 8.86%. So their revenue stream is well diversified. Now, as far as the loans are concerned, again, it is a well diversified. Why HDFC Bank is a leader in the banking sector? So let me read it out for you. HDFC is a leading player in the payment ecosystem in the country. And every third rupee which you spend on cards in India happens on the HDFC Bank. So they have issued almost 3.21 crore debit cards and 1.45 crore credit cards to different customers. So their market reach and the presence is huge. They have a dominant market share with approximately 50% of electronic card volume. So again, because of these reasons only, they are the market leaders in India. Now, as far as the credential is concerned, HDFC Bank is the second largest collector of direct taxes, and they are number one in middle market banking with 60% of market share in India. So country like India, that is a huge market share which HDFC Bank is currently having. And HDFC Bank is one of the largest banking network in semi-urban and rural India. And HDFC Bank continues to be leader in the auto loan segment with a strong presence in passenger commercial vehicle and two-wheeler financing. So HDFC Bank is having a well-diversified revenue stream and their lending customer is also well-diversified. Now let's look into the financials of HDFC Bank and see how HDFC Bank has performed in last few quarters. So as I mentioned, it is the largest private sector bank with a market capitalization of 7,60,000 crore. Now let me highlight few of the key financials here. Because of that only, HDFC Bank has been a consistent compounder over the year. So if you can look at the sales growth over the last 5 years, it stands at 15.3%. So for any bank, it is a huge sales growth which HDFC Bank has shown over the period of 5 years. And the profit of last 5 years stands at 20%. So again, this is a very strong profit which they have shown in the last 5 years. And because of these consistent growth only, they have compounded the investor money over the period of 5-10 years. As far as the quarterly result is concerned, you can see it has shown a consistent growth in the revenue and net profit. So currently the revenue stands at 34,588 crore. That is the highest ever revenue they have posted in December 2021. And if you can see the net profit, again, it has posted the highest ever net profit, which stands at 10,591 crore as on December 2021. So it has shown a consistent growth in last few quarters. Now let's look at the profit and loss statement. So again, if you can see, in March 2010, the revenue was only 16,000 crore and currently it stands at 1,28,000 crore as on March 2021. And trailing 12-month revenue stands at 1,32,000 crore. So that is, again, they have shown a consistent growth in terms of revenue. As far as the net profit is concerned, in March 2010, the net profit was only 3,000 crore and they have multifold their net profit by 10x and currently stands at 31,833 crore as on March 2021. And if you can see, the trailing 12 months of net profit stands at 36,000 crore. So if I can share one more key financials here. So free cash flow available with the HDFC Bank is 40,796 crore. So again, that is a very high cash flow which is available with the HDFC Bank. Now, as far as the balance sheet is concerned, their lending capacity stands at 15,11,418 crore, and this is one of the highest lending capacity which they are having, and because of that only they are the market leader in the banking sector. And if you can see the reserves also, they have multifold over the period of 10 years. So in March 2010, the reserves were only 21,000 crore and currently as on March 2021, reserves stands at 2,09,000 crore. So again, they have consistently improved the reserves over the period of 10-11 years. As far as the shareholding pattern is concerned, as I mentioned, HDFC is the parent company of HDFC Bank. So HDFC holds 25.80%. FII holds 37.47% as on December 2021. DII holds 22.97%. So DII has increased their shareholding in last 12 quarters and FII has marginally reduced their shareholding in HDFC Bank. And public holds only 13.60% as on December 2021. So we have discussed the dominance of HDFC Bank in the Indian banking sector, and we have seen the financials of HDFC Bank, and it has shown a consistent growth over the last 5-10 years as far as the revenue and net profit is concerned. Also, it has increased their market share in last 5-10 years. But the reason to discuss HDFC Bank in this series is because of the market correction which has started in October 2021. From October 2021, the market has corrected by 10-15%, and because of that only many fundamental strong companies are currently available at a very good valuation, and that we are going to discuss in our technical analysis. So this is a chart of HDFC Bank, and if you can see, HDFC Bank has posted all-time high price level of 1724 on 18th October 2021. After posting the all-time high price of 1724, because of the recent market correction in overall stock market, so Nifty has corrected by 10-11%, and because of that only HDFC Bank has also corrected by almost 21%. So because of this correction only, currently HDFC Bank is available at a very good valuation. And if you can see this white curve, this is a curve of 200-day moving average. So currently it is available below 200-day moving average. Even from the 200-day moving average price level, the HDFC Bank is currently corrected by 10%. So this correction is giving us a very good valuation of HDFC Bank, and this is giving us the buying opportunity in HDFC Bank. So as I mentioned, this is already in my portfolio for a long-term investment, and also in this video we are going to see how much short-term potential is available in HDFC Bank. So if we can take the current price level up to the all-time high price level, there is a direct potential available of 26%. This is a decent potential gain available in HDFC Bank, but this is not the only opportunity which is available. Let me show you the second potential gain which is available in HDFC Bank. But before that, let me highlight one more important point. Currently, if you can notice, the stock prices has currently trading at a strong support point. So this is a strong support point of 1371 price level. So if you can see, after giving the breakout from this price level, the stock has taken a multiple support at the same price level multiple times. Of 1371, the stock has taken multiple support, currently trading at the same support level of 1371. Now, because currently in the market there are so much negative sentiments and there are so much panic selling happening because of Russian-Ukraine war. So in case HDFC Bank will further correct from this support price level of 1371, the second support is available at a price level of 1243. Currently, the market is very volatile and it is very difficult to say whether the stock prices will bounce back from this price level or whether it will break down from the current support price level of 137. But as I already told you, the second strong support point is 1243. So again, if you have missed the price level of 1371, you can increase your position at the price level of 1243. Now let me give you the second opportunity and the potential gain which is available in HDFC Bank. So HDFC Bank has formed the reverse head and shoulder pattern. So this is the neckline. Let me draw it for you. So this is the left shoulder. This is the second left shoulder. This is the head and this is the right shoulder. So if we can take the depth of this reverse head and shoulder, we will get our second potential target in HDFC Bank. So in case of HDFC Bank, we have got first potential target of price level 1724 with a potential gain of 26%. On basis of reverse head and shoulder pattern, we have got the second target of price level 1915. And from current price level up to the price level of 1915, there is a direct potential available of 40%. So these are the small term target which can be achieved within 1 year. So, but these are the decent target available in the HDFC Bank. And as I mentioned, because of the market correction only, this is the opportunity to invest in a fundamental good company, because many fundamental good company are currently available at a very good valuation. I have invested in HDFC Bank for a short-term target of 40%, and also HDFC Bank is one of the stocks from my coffee can investment portfolio for a long-term investment of 10 years. So let me again repeat the potential target which is available in HDFC Bank. The first target is 1724 with a potential gain of 26%, and the second target is 1915 with a potential gain of 39.5%. So that is a great opportunity which is currently available in HDFC Bank. So as this series is a part of banking sector, as I already mentioned, I have already made a video on public sector banks, and I have discussed 5 different public sector banks where there is a huge potential available, and those public sector banks are currently available at a very good valuation. In addition to that, I have also made a video on PNB, and we have done a detailed analysis of PNB. And in addition to these video, we have also made one video where we have discussed 2 banks from the Rakesh Jhunjhunwalaji's portfolio. I will share the link of the playlist of this banking sector series which we have started. And going forward, we will discuss few more private sector banks where there is a huge potential available like HDFC Bank. So I hope you have liked this video, and I will see you in next video. Thank you.